They put those on themselves.
What's so funny? Did you get into the shoe basket? Did you get into the shoe basket?
Light up, Chloe.
Bree, are those your Olivia shoes?
Stomp, stomp. They light up.
Chloe, are those your shoes or Brett's shoes? Bree can't even walk in those shoes.
She's like a penguin.
Whose shoes are those? It's Olivia's.
Oh, she's going fast.
Chloe, whose shoes are you wearing? Uh-oh, are those
That
Brett's?
reminds me of Kate and bright red
Bree,
high heels. Could not walk.
I see you. Put the shoes in the basket. Those are Olivia's. Put them away. Yeah, put them away. Sit down on your booty. Sit down on your booty and put them away. Where are you going?
Traffic jam on I.
Okay, take them off. Sit down on your booty.
No, she's like, I'm just gonna kick them off.
Or do it the hard way. You too, Chloe. Put them in the basket.